Hey guys, it's your girl J Marie, the founder of Phitnez, and today we're talking about what I eat in a day. The number one question that I'm always asked on Snapchat is what do I eat? And to be honest with you guys, it's not all that hard. I'm eating very plant-based right now due to my lack of a kitchen. However, it's not expensive what I eat. It's not hard to cook what I eat. And really all you need if you want to mimic these recipes is a knife, a bowl, and a microwave. Like it's really not that difficult. So I hope that you guys enjoy these meals. I just want to put out a little disclaimer that of course these meals are not what I'm eating every single day. Sometimes I like some wings. So I just wanted to put that disclaimer out there. Okay guys, so at the beginning of every day, I always make this drink. It's kind of like my coffee because it always wakes me up. It's just some water, some apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, and this Herbalife. Um, it's a herbal concentrate, and it really just has like little nuggets of caffeine in it. And so I think that's what really wakes me up. But I just like the apple cider vinegar because it cleanses my insides every single day. What I like to eat with this is an apple. I didn't get me eating an apple on camera, but that's what I like to eat every single day. And so that's my breakfast in the morning. I drink this drink and I eat an apple, and that's how I begin every day. Yeah, so at this point it's like 11:30 a.m. I had got a little late starting the day because I had a bunch of meetings in the morning. However, I still try to make sure to get this in before noon, just to give me that little extra boost for the day. So just a little after that, maybe around 12, I had got a little hungry, and I really, at this point of the day, usually I'll make a big smoothie to last me a few hours. But I really wasn't trying to do that because I was in a time crunch for a bunch of stuff that I'm on deadline for. So I just ordered from my school's little delivery robot system. I ordered from Jamba. It's the pomegranate paradise, and I just added some kale to it. So the reason that I wanted to film this video today was because I really needed to go grocery shopping. And so at this point it's about 12:30 in the afternoon, and I'm just making a list before I go grocery shopping. And the reason why I filmed this part is because of course I get my normal staples that I always get, like bananas and popcorn and things of that nature. However, during this part I went on YouTube and I looked up new ideas because I was really trying to find something where I can cook it in the microwave, something that I hadn't thought of before. I didn't wind up finding anything new. It did give me ingredient ideas. However, I just wanted to share this part with you guys because the internet is your friend, and you should be going on YouTube and like searching for different recipes, or if you have something that you don't know what to use it for, go on YouTube, go on Google, and just search recipes with this item because it really does add variety to the things that you're eating, especially if you get stuck like me. Like, I'm a very habitual person. I'm a woman of habit, and so I like to eat the same thing over and over again. So if you want to get out of that habit, definitely look up different recipes. So just after that, I went to Whole Foods. My thing about Whole Foods is I really love getting my organic food from there. It's something about, like, I don't know who grows like the farms that they use, but Target, Walmart, and any generic grocery store does not give me the same quality produce that Whole Foods does. This is not sponsored. However, I just want to put that out there because it's definitely necessary to say that even if it's a little bit more money, it's definitely worth it because when you're eating it, it feels so much better, and it feels so much, not even like, it just feels cleaner for some reason. I don't know. So in this clip. I'm just getting all the stuff that I had on my list. I really needed some, that's my list right there. I really needed some sweet potatoes, so you see me grabbing some sweet potatoes for the dinner that I'm going to make shortly. I really needed my greens, so I wound up getting my spinach, and I got some kale. I also went with this Italian bag of spinach. I mean, not spinach. Italian bag of romaine lettuce instead of the regular romaine lettuce. I went with like it's pre-cut. It's Italian salad. Is that on the back? Yeah, that wind up tasting so much better. I don't know why, but for some reason, no matter how much I clean romaine lettuce, it always still tastes like the dirt. I also want to show you guys me getting coconut water. I drink a ton of coconut water simply because like just drinking water every day can get a little boring. By the way, guys, it's not in this video because I want to do a whole separate video about this. But keep in mind, while I'm eating all these foods, I'm also getting in a gallon of water. I drink a gallon of water every single day. Besides my coconut water, I'm also getting aloe vera juice. It has a ton of sugar, but that's one of my little freebie things that I don't really mind getting. And so this at this point, I just needed a few more things, and then we're gonna head over to Target. Hey guys, so it's like mid video, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button, like it, and comment down below what you like so far. If you want more videos like this, or if instead of a day in the life of what I eat, if you want a week in the life of what I eat, tell me down below, okay? So right after that, I went to Target, and from Target, I only like to buy things that aren't organic. So right now, I'm headed over to the chip aisle to get some popcorn because I love my snacks. I also end up getting some oatmeal, some olive oil, and just a few other things from Target. On my way back, I have found these flowers. It's spring where I am, and they just bloom. They look so pretty. But I just want to show you guys how much I spent. At Whole Foods, I only spent $35.89, and at Target, I only spent $13.67 for a whopping total of $49.56. And so, this stuff is gonna last me like a week or at least 2 weeks. And so it's really not that expensive to eat healthy. For me personally, it's way less expensive than eating out every day. So right now I just came home and it's about 2:30. And it's time for me to make my favorite salad. At this point, I was starving, y'all, and so I didn't really do as many toppings as I usually do. Like for this, I only put cucumber. As far as the vegetables that I sliced up, then after that, I put in the corn and black beans because this is a Southwest salad. And so then I just put that all in there. Guys, y'all have no idea. Every time I make this salad, I'm just starving. So I went ahead and I put that in there, and then I'm going ahead and I'm going to put some tortilla strips. Tortilla strips just set this thing off. And so I put that in there, and then I put the Green Goddess craft dressing in there. I don't use dressing in salads often. This is the only salad that I use dressing in, and so I'm very extra. Like I don't mind putting a lot. Um, with that salad, I want to go ahead and put a protein shake with it. So I just put some almond milk and a banana, and I go ahead and I put some Herbalife protein powder. This is not sponsored by Herbalife, although I really do enjoy their products. If you are interested in their products, you can buy with my girl Trinice. She will hook you up. I put a couple scoops of cookies and cream, and I put some spinach. Even though I'm eating a salad, I try to have as many vegetables with every meal as possible, and so I go ahead and put that spinach in there. Sorry, my camera is sliding, and I didn't even notice, but then I just go ahead and blend it up, okay guys? So this is lunch. It's like 2:30, 3 o'clock, and that's what I'm eating. Yeah, so once it's all prepared, I just go ahead and I'm tearing it up. Like, this is my favorite salad and my favorite smoothie, guys. Although I don't make the same thing every day, not really, like it's a variation of things. My smoothie stays the same. I do drink this smoothie like on average every day to every other day. um it's good, y'all. Like, I love that salad. That's really, you should really try it. On this video I didn't put all of the rest, not all of the recipes, but in this video I didn't put all of the toppings that I normally would put if I wasn't so hungry. And if you would like to see a video of that, go ahead and follow me on TikTok, shameless plug, hello. And you can see it over there as well. So then it was time for dinner. What I did was I chopped up some sweet potato in very thin pieces. The thinner the better, because you really want this to cook very easily. Then I put some taco seasoning on it. I was really feeling like that southwestern type of vibe today. I don't know why, but that's just what I was looking for. And then I put some olive oil on it. You guys didn't see it, but then I popped it in the microwave. I put it in the microwave for like 4 minutes, and then I want to plate it on something else because all of the oil and stuff that ran off the plate, I want to use that for my broccoli. And so I'm going ahead and I'm plating it on another plate. Low key, I'm trying to plate it like cute for y'all because you know, it's just visually appealing. But if I was just by myself, not just by myself, but if I wasn't making a video, I would low-key just put it in a bowl and not be this you know, I wouldn't do all this. But it looks kind of cute. Okay, so now I have all that oil on a plate and leftover seasoning, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my frozen broccoli on top of that. I let it defrost just a little bit, but apparently not enough, so I'm just putting that on top of there, and then I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about another 2 or 3 minutes. So once I take that out of the microwave, it's still not done yet because obviously that was frozen broccoli. It's steaming a little bit, but what I want to do is I want to make sure that it got all that olive oil and all the seasoning, because I really like my flavors to marinate with each other, not taste the same, but just a little bit. And I'm gonna put some salt on it, and then I'm gonna put some garlic powder on it because garlic powder just, it tastes so good on broccoli. So gotta put some of that, and then I put it back in the microwave for 2 more minutes. Now I'm plating it again. I'm just putting it in a circle so that it could be visually appealing to you guys. Tell me if you actually like the way I plated it, or if you think it still looks kind of off. I was just trying to show you everything that I was getting in this everything that I was putting on it, so that you can see the layers of everything that I'm putting on the plate. And so it looks tasty, looks pretty good, and I'm dropping stuff. Okay. And so after I put the broccoli and everything on the plate, lastly what I'm going to do is put some chickpeas. What would be really good with this was it would be some quinoa or some brown rice, or even the black beans and corn. However, I was really wanting some chickpeas, so that's what I put on there. What I forgot to put in this video was anything about snacks, and I definitely ate some snacks. You see, this is open, and I bought it at Target. Yeah, popcorn, especially this popcorn, the Smart Food white cheddar, this is like really what I eat. Besides this, I like the red hot, I don't know what it's called specifically, but like it's the red hot cheesy popcorn. I try to limit myself to like a cup of popcorn. Sometimes I go a little overboard and I'll eat like 2 cups. The serving size for this is 2.5 cups. but I tried to stick to a cup of popcorn just so like I'm not eating a lot of, I don't like to, I try my best not to snack a lot. If I'm just on the go, I love Quest bars. Besides this flavor is the birthday cake Quest bar. Looks like this. I like birthday cake flavored things. My favorite cake pop at Starbucks is birthday cake. Like birthday cake flavored things is my go-to. This, however, is not my favorite Quest bar. My favorite Quest bar is blueberry muffin. I run out of those so quick because I just love the way that they taste. But besides Quest bars and popcorn, what I preach to the core is eat your vegetables. Whenever you get a chance, if you could just be snacking on like some celery or snacking on some carrots, that's the absolute best thing. I really enjoy sugar, and so one thing that I'll always be snacking on is fruits, grapes, oranges, pineapples, frozen blueberries. If you don't know my thing about frozen blueberries yet, stick around because you're gonna find out. My thing about frozen blueberries is like whenever I'm craving ice cream, I try my best not to eat a lot of dairy, and so whenever I'm craving ice cream and I know that I really shouldn't have it because maybe I've had it like a week before or 2 weeks before, I try to eat it like once a month. If I've already had it, then I try my best to just go ahead and mix like frozen blueberries and pineapples. I can eat them blended, or I can eat them just like straight out the bag, out of the freezer. And as soon as like I'm done with my bowl, I don't even want ice cream. It really satisfies that craving. So that's just something to think about. I really just want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all of your support, especially like subscribing, liking, commenting. Guys, I'm still not even at my first 100 subscribers yet, so we only have 17 subscribers to go to get to my first 100 subscribers. So if you could just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. And if you really like this video a whole ton and you like the content that I've been delivering, go ahead and tap that bell so that you get a notification every single time I upload. Tuesday is the day that you can expect me. Every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, I'm uploading, and so just be expecting it. Just be on the lookout. You know, vibe with J. Marie. You know, little bit. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Work, Sweat, Achieve. You're watching J. Marie. We out.